Okay, operation dress the Christmas tree.
Hello, I hope you enjoyed this bit of Christmas silliness. Coming up afterwards is everything we've got planned for the new year. We've got a motorbike engine that's going to be running the spin rig. We'll be doing a world record attempt with some cricket bats, which is always going to be fun. We've got a massive turbo that we have no idea what to do with yet, but that's going to be fun too. Halfway through building the world's biggest blender, so we're going to be blending stuff. We'll also be doing part 4 and hopefully the final part of the mission Supersonic 8 Ball, and the list of very mental ideas keeps getting longer, so we've been very busy. Enjoy. Oh, and subscribe. We're nearly at 500 subs. Honda.
So what is it?
No.
She's alive! The turb.
Will it blend? Yes, it will. So after trying loads of different things, including this wonderful compressor, which didn't work, that goes up to 60 psi, not much use, we've devised a way that we can get cylinder pressure into our bottle. So we can go up to 451 bar, in theory. So when we're doing that, we're probably going to hire a canister of nitrogen. Merry Christmas.